Fire safety is a major concern for all planners, designers and architects. It is not an option, but a clear legal requirement. Pipe and cable penetrations, as well as joints, must be sealed to avoid fire and smoke spreading through a building. To be effective, correct design, planning and specification of Firestop are key. This may be a complex task, even for experienced professionals.
Die Brandschutzungen sind ein sehr großes Thema. Die Zusammenarbeit mit Hilti ist für uns im Planungsprozess sehr wichtig, welches der richtige Brandschutz in diesem Fall ist. Dann in der weiteren Ausschreibungsphase gehen wir auf Hilti zu bezüglich Ausschreibungstexte und dann natürlich später in der Ausführungsphase vor Ort treten doch immer wieder neue Situationen auf. Da freuen wir uns, wenn Hilti uns weiterhelfen kann, gerade wenn es spezielle Lösungen sind.
Correct specification and planning are crucial for a cost-effective, legally compliant and timely implementation. With more than 30 years of experience, a worldwide network of experts and a detailed understanding of codes and design guidelines, Hilti has you covered. Our easy-to-reach engineers will help you with any type of Firestop specification.
Der Hilti-Fachmann hat uns entsprechende Lösungsvorschläge geliefert. Dies wurde dann auch von der Brandschutzgutachterin so für sehr gut befunden.
We also offer services such as drawings, typicals and specification texts, high-level state-of-the-art seminars, and design and modeling software, including our online BIM CAD library. Our leading portfolio of internationally approved products includes pre-engineered devices with additional tests on movement, seismic, acoustics, and much more. Professional documentation is made simple by our popular dedicated software. Whatever your type of project and your Firestop needs, Hilti is your best partner, worldwide unmatched. Make specification easy and call your regional Hilti Firestop expert today.